As you know, the Passato Prossimo can be formed with the auxiliary avere or can be formed with the auxiliary essere. In this chapter, you're going to learn how to form it with the auxiliary avere. That means that you will have a Passato Prossimo and the first verb of the Passato Prossimo will be avere. It will be ho, hai, ha, abbiamo, avete, hanno, according to the subject. Okay, when we use the auxiliary avere, we use the auxiliary avere with all the transitive verb. Now, for example, we use avere with mangiare, we use avere with vedere, we use avere with fare, etc. As you can see, all these verbs are transitive. What does it mean? It means that I can ask a question after them, a question that is who or what. Mangiare, che cosa? Vedere, che cosa? O chi, fare, che cosa? So every time after a verb you can ask a question that is the equivalent of who or what, you are in front of a transitive verb. And that tells you that you must use the auxiliary avere as a first word. So let's say you want to say, we ate yesterday. We ate pizza. So you start with what? You know, we is noi. Then you take the correct form of avere that works with noi. So in this case will be abbiamo. So noi abbiamo. And then you must make the past participle of mangiare, since I said we ate pizza. So if you remember what you do, you take mangiare, you drop are, and you add the correct form of the past participle, that is ato. So will be noi abbiamo mangiato. Okay. I saw Giulio yesterday. I saw Giulio. In this case, we are in front of a verb, vedere. So I saw who. So that tells you that the verb vedere, to see, is a transitive verb. So you know that you must use the verb avere as an auxiliary. So I saw, so io, and then you must take the auxiliary avere and you must select the correct form for io, so it will be io, and then you take vedere. Now, what is the difference between vedere and mangiare? Mangiare is a regular verb. Vedere is not regular. So you form the past participle in another way. You just must remember. So it will be io ho visto, even if veduto, the regular form, can be used. Okay? But just remember that it's better if you use visto. So forget about veduto. So io ho visto Giulio. Let me just give you the last example with fare. So I did my homework. Okay? I did my homework. It's a past action, so that requires the passato prossimo, and you know that I did, since did what, che cosa, you can ask the question what, so fare requires the auxiliary avere, so instead of, no, let me use now, instead of I, you did, okay, so you did, you take two, because for you we have two, so to, and then the auxiliary avere, the right form that works with to, so to I, and then I need the past participle of the verb fare, to do. Even fare is not regular, you can check the previous chapter and you will see that the past participle of fare is fatto. So, tu hai fatto i compiti. Ok.